All right, and taking the face-off is Felton, going against number 9. 2 7s, 2 9s to start the game off. And Felton wins that one. Back to the point. Over to 4. Marvisi not able to get to it. Gets chipped out. Number 4 with it. That's Harris. Harris chips it up, but picked up by the Warhawks. And chipped in by number 10, Verhoeven. And the Warhawks pick it back up behind their own net. Rimmed around over to the near side. Harris right there, and she still manages to keep a hold of the puck. Bounces it off a skate and picked up by the Warhawks. Warhawks carry it out. And chipped in. No icing there. Picked up by Harris down below the goal line. She tries to get it up to number 3, Reese, and she's not able to corral that one. Back down into the Team South Dakota zone. Marvisi takes a chip at it, back up to Reese. Reese with it. She has it against the half wall, but not able to do much with it. Harris with it, and she throws it up and bounces off his stick and into the neutral zone. Picked up by number 76. Chipped past Harris by number 18, I believe it is. Warhawks take it in, looking to bang it in, and blocked up front, and finally thrown behind the net. Thrown up the boards and out, picked up by number 2.